Welcome back to another YouTube video, and as you guys can see on the description down below, we are gonna be prepping the GTI for show day if we can actually make it. But yeah, there's still a lot I have to update you all on. I'll do that when we get back home. For now, we will show you the wheels, what we sent in for refurb. The Denvers, we got the man responsible here, Bravo Adi.
How's the gents?
So yeah, this is what he does, as you can see. The best in the business.
Thanks.
They don't even know how nice this really looks in person. This looks nice on camera, but in person, yes.
Oh my god! Wow!
This looks very nice. But yeah, we're gonna take this home, fit it on the car and do some 1-2 other things. Try to get a car ready for tomorrow. Yeah, we also got Brafaglas. Still has to go fix his sump. And then we're also gonna sort out this car for showtime tomorrow. Okay guys, we are now here by Brafaglas, changing sump here. Here you can see we got a new sump, fresh sump from Frankie Supplies. This one is just struggling underneath, breaking his sump for the 13th time now.
I try to do something so I don't break it.
Yes, whole 5 more plate.
Yeah, good. Let's give it at least a 3 man for style.
Verstaan? Weight reduction, boys. Weight reduction.
Professionally, that's bro. I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing, Regan.
You think?
I know.
As long as you think so. Okay, so we are back at my house. And now to carry on with this car. And yeah, like to say, to update you all actually properly. Last time you all saw this car on YouTube, I was on the 15-inch Velos from Auto Style. So yeah, me and Mudra swapped back. I got my splits back. He's got his Velos back. I got the Denvers back from Bravo Adi, Mr. Wheels. Just look at that glitter on there. Yeah, Rasta, you like that glitter, boy? This is Rasta, guys. Rasta, my dog. Yeah, there's lots of smoke here. We're making fire. Yeah, on today's agenda, we want to give this turbo car some turbo flutter.
Oh shit!
So yeah, Aish, look here. I don't know what the owns had work done here. But anyways, my car is back home and it's safe now. But yeah, we want to give this car some turbo flutter. So we are basically gonna be deleting here. I have already started loosening up here, but nevertheless, there goes a bolt here. One bolt here that you see is already loose, and another bolt here. So yeah, I've already started loosening up there. I've also started loosening up here. We are gonna put a cone filter there and another small cone filter type of breather thing for this pipe here.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So that the dirt don't go in there. But yeah, this is a bit messy. I don't like this. Man, I have to take this off or redo this whole thing.
Yeah, let's see how it sounds.
there's 3 plugs that will remain here. You need to get a resistor to plug this in each side here on all 3 of them. Then yeah, I'll get it on another video, and for now this should work. Let's hope.
I don't think he will come back again.
Just hold on. So there you guys can see we fitted a small little filter here for that other pipe. Now we're gonna go put down this one.
It sounds.
Yo, that thing is loud now.
It's great.
That whistle is loud. Yo.
Keep this washing, this is spinning the whole time.
Okay guys, to update you all again, I got a fade. I look like a human being again, more or less. But yeah, to update you all on the car, it's not gonna make it. We tried our best, but nevertheless, yeah, hopefully soon she will be right, because this is my current problem right now. But yeah, nevertheless, we're still gonna go to the show. So yeah, we got the parky ready. Parky's gonna take us to the show. I'll be vlogging, I'll keep you all updated at the show, how things go. I think I'm probably gonna miss the limbo. The limbo ends at 5 o'clock. So yeah, it's looking quite packed here. It's looking jam-packed here.
Okay.
Oi! Yo, these people say, when they hear my brakes. Hey, my brakes sound bad, so I get them.
Rustig. Morning.
Alright, okay, alright.
Nice. How's the engines?
Engine is decent, engine is fine, CV joints is bad.
GWM.
Ha!
Hey,
Ha.
what?
Hey, Toyota. So surprised, so disappointed that GTI is not.
Jump 4x4. Hey.
Hey, Sobra Musa. Where's that man even? X. What you say, bro? I like a YouTuber. X. I know polo today, bro. No polo. Thanks, bro. I'm looking for you. What you say, X? Let's go.
Thank you for coming.
Peso.
Where's the mic?
Eh? Where you want to get ice? Where's the garage? Bro, there's a lot of people that don't know what's have ice. Yo, look at that polo though. That polo though. Yeah. Exema, bro. I'm here with a YouTube video. Do you just want to tell the people what you're doing here? Explain to the audience what is the purpose of this, bro.
I'm not a gossiper, you see, but I can say.
But that works. I was expecting you to say just extra lows, man, but straightforward. Hey. Alright, but trying to look nice, bro. You begged. We have loaded the Accord. We are with Charles. We are going on. That is not cheating, nah?
Now you don't need to duck your head.
No, Jack.
Jackson must got the lekker viewer.
Yeah.
Let's go. No one's standing. Can he make it? There's a guy peeping out the window. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hold on.
Only sparks that I want.
Cho.
Hey, na baki.
This is what we're doing.
Let's go.
Cheating, guys. We are cheating. Listen, it's not cheating if everyone's doing it, bro. The whole boot is loaded. Fully loaded. What's going on? Dog is cheap. Huh? What's the price of this? Clip on.
En maar gewoon vragen tot je
100 rand after 5 stickers available. Come here now, today you get it for the exact same price.
Hoor je krijgen?
Don't cry.
put it over there.
Like say, don't forget to pump their tires when you leave here, huh?
Yeah, no.
Hi.
Let's scream, guys. This is how we're gonna win this award. It's based on your guys' decision. Static. Let's go. Well
Static in the back. Yeah. Oh, Giovanni.
This is the last two categories. Then we can do our 5 tours.
Where's then the bimber?
To take you guys there, you guys. The current rating is 145, guys. 145. Let's go.
Man, is still pumping tires, yeah? Hey, Mark 1, nah. Can't go wrong with a Mark 1.
Let's go. This is your DJ Pisa, all the way from Pisa, guys. Enjoy and stay and support us. Let's just remove that area. Let's go. I've got a special one for you. Who's that?
Z3 2000 model, 29,000 kilos on the clock.
Yeah, watching you on the camera, the whole of YouTube is gonna know if you are cheating, bruh. The whole of YouTube is gonna know if you're cheating. Baby!
One drunk man is more intelligent than three.
Hope and pray you taught her well, nah?
We've got enough, ladies.
Just hope and pray you taught her well.
Mudra, KBTL, Lensman, where you guys? Where you
Can we please have some photographs? And then we'll give you the opportunity to answer. Right? Yeah, don't shout out the answers. Okay, let's do a trial, right? Okay, let's do a trial. Okay.
You must remember the correct answer.
Wow. Okay. All right, I'm gonna ask you something not dance related. Yeah? What are 3 types of cars? No, guys. Name 2 coin over brands. Jody?
HF or in what's your one again?
The pressure is getting
Can you please jot down Jody
Very
for
far
1
off.
point?
Static art and shit.
Yes.
Blue line. Blue line, guys. Blue line.
So next one. Which is the most driven car brand in South Africa? We'll give you the option to take 2 opportunities, right? So we'll give you 2 brands.
That is
So
obvious.
let's just do it again one more time.
That is very
What
obvious.
is the most driven car brand in South Africa?
Only one right answer.
What's first there?
Jody was
Connect
first.
with the car.
No, we're just giving 2 options. Which is the most driven car brand in South Africa?
Come on. Yes.
All right, we'll give it to her, Jody.
Yes. Never. Toyota.
Yes.
Island.
guys.
Yes.
Over VW. Never.
Which car brand
Never, boys.
uses this slogan?
Never.
The ultimate driving machine. Jody is
Has anyone got the answer? The ultimate driving machine is the slogan.
It's GTI.
Shut up, you.
GTI.
Lies are disgusting.
no. Okay, Jody.
BMW.
Unfortunately, nobody got that one right. That was actually BMW.
Oh. And you drive a BMW.
Okay, guys.
Come on. Come on.
What car produces the Golf 1? Right. What car manufacturer makes the brand?
There's only one name winning it.
Okay, Jody, if you win the next question, you will then win one of the photo shoot prizes, and then we'll give the other people an opportunity, right? So let's say, it's not no chair. Okay, this is an easy one, guys. What car brand features 4 interlocking rings? Simone? Yes, that's one for Simone.
What's that? I don't know the answer. What's that?
Okay, another easy one, but I'm not too sure, right?
Get that question,
Name
guys. I
3
will foil that.
different. Name 3 different Tyre brands. Simone has got it. Okay, Simone.
Mitchell.
Can we guys give you a clue? There's some of the Tyre brands listed around us.
Michelin.
Okay, Jody, you have won yourself a free. Okay, guys, a big thank you. A big thank you for.
This is basically it for the show. Pricing has been done, everything has been done. Few people have won. After 5 is not a crew, but we have been somehow entered in the crew competition. We won attendance award earlier. We're grateful for that. We pulled through in the numbers and we are here. But yeah, that's about it for this video. So there's not gonna be much left. I'll leave you all with some cinematics to enjoy the rest of the video. Another certificate of attendance. We are behind the scenes here, guys. After 5, is house.
Merry Christmas.
23 car garage. We got all the cars in here. Got Nikita's car, we got Mudra's car, we got Jody and Sergio here, we got myself, we got Riona's car here. We got a Paki, we got Rajesh here.
Yo, we got a Paki in here.
We got a Paki in here, boy. The whole 22 inches inside here, boy.
That's 22 inches was so fighting to fight.
It was fighting to fight. We got Tadi in here, and in front there we got another Rajesh there in front. Yeah, we're just dealing with some air suspension problems.
So you got that, both had three cables is ground.
Yeah. One is for compressor, one is for minute.
And I think I need to run the ground from the front, no? We never found the problem yet. We're just hoping that it is a ground problem. So that...
I'll tell you in a few moments.
So we are currently still running diagnostics?
Yes, we are running diagnostics. We don't need no machine here.
No, it's manual diagnostics here. No machines.
It's carburetor.
Carburetor, you see the problem.
I've been seeing this car's boot open. What is going on here?
It's the two electrical components down onto electricize.
Shut up, bro, shut up, bro. Shut up, my nigga, shut up.
Be a man. Be a
Static.
Man.
Be static.
We don't worry of fuses.
Yeah, it's a fuse.
He's quiet. He doesn't know which
can't
side
say
he's on yet.
fuck
He doesn't know
all.
which
We
side
know.
he's on yet. He's keeping quiet, bruh. You wanna play it safe. in case, bruh. You don't know what you have to say.
You know what you must do now? Now you must make my lapa over me.
Yeah, says this man is talking about renovations now.
Now you must have my lapa with a low profile.
You leave a lap up now, otherwise we burn it down.
Chop that 2 again into another 4 pieces. That things will burn fire like fire. It's about depressing situations, man.
Stay tuned. You will soon hear interesting news on this.